Armadillo facts that will astound you. All 20 species of armadillos, with the exception of the 9-banded armadillo, which has spread into the United States, are found only in Latin America. The 9-banded armadillo, which is known as the hillbilly speed bump due to how frequently it is hit by cars, is the official state small mammal of Texas. The 9-banded armadillo, sometimes known as the Hoover hog because President Hoover failed to keep meat on the tables during the Great Depression of the 1920s, was consumed. The 9-banded armadillo is increasingly a regular sight in Missouri, USA, as it moves further north. Spanish travelers to Latin America gave the term armadillo, which translates to little armored one. Bony plates on armadillos' bodies serve as their armor. So they have such a shell, making them the only extant animal. The plates, which are made of tiny epidermal scales of horn-covered bone, cover their back, legs, head, and tail. To increase protection, the plates are overlapping one another. The 3-banded armadillo is the only species that has the ability to curl its head and foot inward to form a hard ball while encasing itself in its shell for protection, contrary to popular belief. Predators were confused by this strategy because a dog cannot remove the armadillo's ball. Armadillos despise the cold because they have poor metabolic rates and no fat reserves. A whole population might be wiped out if there are periods of unusually cold weather. Human body temperature is 37 C, 98.6 F, while an armadillo's ranges from 33 to 36 C, 91 to 97 F. They are typically solitary animals, save for when mating. However, in cold weather they may gather in a burrow to stay warm. Sloths, anteaters, and armadillos are all closely related and have certain traits in common. Like anteaters, armadillos have long, sticky tongues that are used to rip termites and ants out of their tunnels. An armadillo's diet is comprised of beetles, insects, ants, termites, plants and some fruit. If given the chance, they will eat small ground nesting birds and their eggs. With very poor eyesight and hearing, armadillos rely on their strong sense of smell to hunt. They can smell things which are up to 20 centimeters below the ground. They also have long straggly fur on their underside to allow them to feel what they are walking over, used similarly to a cat's whiskers. Armadillos have between 1 to 15 babies. The 9-banded armadillo always gives birth to 4 identical quadruplets. They are produced from a single egg which splits in 4, meaning the babies will all be the same gender. Armadillos are able to delay implantation of the fertilized egg at times of stress. It is thought this can be delayed for as long as 2 years.